am Ivy, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I wanna show you my recent project, which is to compare the performance of Apache Spark and Pandas. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a simulation platform I have developed. I want to introduce it from three parts. The first part is the indicator description. The SparkBench is the name, and one thing I need to address here is that because my topic was about healthcare, so there are some description and features related to healthcare. However, as long as your file format is the same, you can definitely use this platform. And this is a login feature. And the second part is the Spark configuration, and it is related to a very powerful server I rented from UpCloud. So the cores can reach to 12 cores, and the drive memory can go to 16 gigabytes. And I will set the baseline here. And the last part is the largest part, which is different file types. I divided these file types into 4 categories. The first one category is the Spark native optimized format, which is Parquet and overall. And the second one are very common, which is CSV and Excel. And the third part is the semi-structured, and the last part is domain-specific, which you don't need to care. So I will start from CSV file here, and I give you some description for you to help you understand what the CSV file is. And actually, the CSV file is just the plain text with some header rows and comma delimited columns. So it doesn't contain any say metadata information here. So just click the upload the CSV file, and I prepare some files I want to show you here. One thing is that I need to explain is that this platform will not store any data from you. The logic is that you upload the file and send it to backend, and the backend will create a Spark session and to get the performance metric, and send back the metric to the front end, and you will see this data. And at the end of the Spark session, all the files and the data will be deleted. So no worry about the data policy, data privacy here. So for the file, I want to start with a very tiny file here, 1 megabyte. Because I want the user to fully use the power of the server, so they will be added into a queue, and only one user can use the server. Of course, because it's initial stage. So, but you will get some idea about how useful the platform is. So this is a benchmark results. You will have the idea, the size, and one thing is that you get some details records about the file you processed, and some one stress. And this is a live server, because sometimes I will turn off the server for some testing, and they will generate some fake results. So this is the tag for you to distinguish is it a real result or just some fake results. And this is the Spark performance, and this is the Pandas performance, because the file is very small, and Spark needs some initialized session, and so the Pandas is super fast, right? But let's use different size of the file. You will get what I wanted to find out. So if I go to the 100 megabyte file, so just wait for a while, and you will get the result very quickly. I hope so. So for the 100 megabyte, you will see, okay, the difference between Apache Spark and Pandas become smaller, right? And if I increase the file of size of file again, maybe 300 megabytes. Just give it a try. You will realize, okay, at around 300 megabytes, the performance of Spark and Pandas are similar. However, I will tell you the result here. If I increase the file to 400 megabytes, 600 megabytes, they still keep the same. Why? Because I only use one core here. The big difference of Apache Spark and Pandas are that the Spark can distribute tasks into different cores, and Pandas need to load all the dataset into memory and can only use one core. So let's do the second thing. I will increase the core into 4 and maybe increase the memory a bit because I want to use a big file here. So 4 cores. Let's test it. I will give the same. I will give 400 megabytes here. And you will see what changed. There will 4 tasks, 4 partition, and the Spark is fast. Interesting, right? This is the first demo I want to show you here. How you can have some idea about how the cores and the size of file changes influences the performance. Another thing is that I wanna show you how difference between the Parquet and the CSV. So the thing is, I prepare a 1000 megabyte file, and at the same time, I convert it into a Parquet file, and you will see the difference. So this is 1000 megabyte. I think I will accelerate it a lot. So I guess it will use maybe 30 or 40 seconds. At the same time, let me try to find the file. So it's the specific. So I prepare the same thing here, and so this is convert the 1000 megabyte CSV to Parquet. I want to show you the difference. I will just open here because it can just be added into the queue. Here we go. So let's check. The surprising thing is that this is the thing is this is the thing. This is a thing record from the rows and the column. And the thing is like if you check the size of Parquet, it's only no more than 300 megabytes, but for the CSV file it's 1000 megabytes. And the thing is, like Spark is 20 times faster than Parquet. It's only for no more than 400, right? But it for CSV file is 5 seconds. So I will explain why it happened. It will be in the next video. And I also want to show you the impact of partition, because I prepare a partition feature here, but I don't want the video is too long. Just this is the introduction video, and everything will be in the next video. However, I will put the link here and maybe my account here. Last thing is that because thanks to UpCloud, they give me a free trial to rent. They give me free trial so that I can rent a very powerful server here. However, the free trial will end near the end of this month, so you still have around 10 days to play around with it if you are interested in. So I wanna use this video to record this interesting result, and maybe you will be also interested in. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.